Begin uncovering your wine bottle. Gently remove the aluminum cover and the cork. Enhance the preservation process by pouring half a glass of wine, creating more room within the bottle for the magic to unfold. Remove the capsule lid. Align the capsule's mark with the device's indicator, securing it with a satisfying click. Effortlessly insert the capsule bag into the device by pulling the lever backward. Immerse the device into the bottle, guiding it with precision. Open the valve, allowing the wine to flow gracefully. Press the valve on top of the device, observing the wine ascend to the rim. Your wine is now ready to be poured into your glass. Seal the valve atop the glass to prevent any remnants from escaping. Revel in the assurance of preserving your wine's essence for more than 21 days. When it's time to enjoy once more, open the valve, pour with pleasure, and reclose to maintain the magic. Close the valve and return the bottle to an upright position. Observe that some wine remains trapped between the bag and the bottle. Using the palm of your hand, press the top spring of the device until it stops. The trapped wine will now flow out. Open the valve and pour the remaining wine. Repeat this process as necessary until the bottle is empty. Remove the device from the bottle. Disconnect the device from the capsule and dispose of them conveniently. For the environmentally conscious, you have the option to separate and recycle the capsule and bag. WineSpout technology, a symphony of preservation. Our pioneering WineSpout technology keeps oxygen at bay, shielding your wine from oxidation. The spout knob orchestrates the wine's aeration, elevating its profile and character. No longer must you rush to finish a bottle. WineSpout empowers you with choice, control, and the freedom to savor a glass at your pace. Savor the journey, glass by glass, with WineSpout.